Hello everyone. So this one is our new episode of Daily Trivia series, new questions every day by Jigyasa Quiz Club. So yesterday we asked this question in which we were demanding the name of this dish and what was Babar scared of in particular and the resulting change. So this dish is actually a very popular dish, and if you go to Britain you will find every food counter has this dish, and even the Britain's prime minister once said that this dish is a national dish of United Kingdom because this dish absorbs the Western influence of how Britain absorbs the other external influence into the United Kingdom. So yes, the answer is chicken tikka masala. And what is more, humorous is that Babar was afraid of choking off bone. You can see that the chicken tikka masala does not have any bone. It is just a curry type of thing and having the chicken pieces over it. And Babar was actually afraid of choking off bone, and hence he made it boneless. This was the resulting change which Babar did. Now this is actually a legend. Don't believe in it, but it is a legend. So the question was this and the answer is this. Okay. Now today's question. Yeah, this one is a bit easy one. So it may seem that this business is a new one, but it is just that it has become more popular in recent years. It was founded in 1997 by two colleagues from a software company. Their main competitor at that time was a company called Blockbuster. The future did not turn out well for Blockbuster. It could not compete with the new brand and became bankrupt in 2010. Which company outshone Blockbuster? So basically there was a certain category of company that was founded in 1997, and that company had outshone another company, a rival company, Blockbuster, in 2010. Now the question for you is that what is this company? Now let me give you the hint that the business the company started is a very popular business, and we think that this business is a new one, and it has grown exponentially. It has grown exponentially in the last years, in the very recent years, like 3 to 4 years, and especially in India. Now we are demanding the name of this company, and the company is very popular company in terms of that business. And if you think about that particular business, the first name that strikes in your mind is this company's name. But nowadays there are many markets in that business, like there are many markets, many companies in that particular business. Now you need to tell me that which was this company that was started in 1997 and which outshone the company Blockbuster. So yes, thank you. Next question, answer number 15, shall be updated tomorrow. Now I would like to tell you that you have to answer in the link provided in the description box.